the three things for neighbors really did resonate with us. So when we started thinking about what we could do to give back, obviously doing something here for the frontline workers was, it was a no-brainer, truly.
So never before has health care, health and wellness been so paramount to our entire community. And I think as grateful patients, we are often at a loss in terms of how to show our gratitude to doctors, nurses, technicians, and others who help us breathe again, who help with our mobility, who help with our illnesses and incidents. So this is one opportunity to give back and to really show these phenomenal healthcare workers how much their around-the-clock care 365 days a year means to all of us.
You know, it's been very challenging, but also very rewarding. We've seen lots of patients be with us for such a long time, and then seeing them walk out the doors just been so phenomenal for staff to see that success of those patients being able to get back to their loved ones. But challenging in that, we think that we're kind of getting towards the end, and then there's another resurgence and people have to then get back on their game and just to make sure that they're keeping everybody safe. So I would say lots of challenges, but also lots of rewards, certainly from a nursing perspective. Spaces like this are just phenomenal, and they're so much needed across the site. We spend a lot of time, certainly I spend a lot of time indoors in my office or on the unit, that you don't often get to have that time alone, or have that time to be able to connect with some of your co-workers, and even socially distance and be able to have a coffee, have a chat and think about something other than work. And these places like this one particularly, where there's some quietness, maybe it's not so many visitors to the site being here, gives you that chance to unwind, sort of do a little bit of reflection and really kind of build yourself up to go back onto the floor again. I think they'll love it. They think any opportunity for staff to be able to get outside and to spend that time. A lot of staff have felt very isolated throughout this time, and this is an opportunity to break down some of those barriers and to be able to connect with people again.
They really are the unheralded heroes of our community. These folks work tirelessly without a lot of acknowledgement for the efforts they put in, saving people from obviously the day-to-day things they deal with, but now it's accentuated with the pandemic. They've had to go to work every day. They didn't have the option of working from home. They put their lives on the line for us, and that means a lot to us at EllisDon, me personally, of course, too. And doing something like this to show a little appreciation, in my mind, is the least we can do to help those folks feel the appreciation that they deserve, truly.